Welcome viewers to an exciting showcase of the 5 best 3D printers of the year. These cutting-edge machines offer exceptional performance, innovative features, and outstanding print quality. Get ready to embark on a journey into the world of limitless creativity and boundless innovation with the top 3D printers of 2023. Number 5. Creality Resin 3D Printer Halot-ONE Pro. Introducing the Creality Resin 3D Printer Halot-ONE Pro. With its 7.04-inch 3K LCD, integral light source, dual linear rails for stability, and a powerful quad-core CPU, this printer delivers exceptional precision and performance. Features like a 5-inch touchscreen, air filtration, and easy leveling make it a top choice for 3D printing enthusiasts. Upgrade your printing experience with the Halot-ONE Pro. Number 4. Monoprice Mini Delta 2 3D Printer. The Monoprice Mini Delta 2 with this compact printer comes fully assembled, offers Wi-Fi connectivity with the PoloPrint Pro app, and is open-source compatible. With a whisper-quiet operation, it's perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Let's unleash our creativity. Number 3. Creality Resin 3D Printer Halot-Mage. We'll be taking a look at the Creality Resin 3D Printer Halot-Mage. With its larger printing size, Ultra 8K high precision, stable performance, and convenient features like the flip lid and odor-free environment, this printer is a game changer. Plus, with excellent customer service, you'll have peace of mind. Stay tuned to see how this printer can elevate your 3D printing experience. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. Introducing the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer, a game-changer in the world of 3D printing. With its silent stepper motors, dual-gear direct extruder, and smart features like auto mesh bed leveling, this printer delivers precise, high-quality prints. Experience stability and reliability with dual synchronized lead screws and the 4-wheel V-guide rail pulley. Upgrade your 3D printing journey with the Neptune 3 Pro. Number 1. Phrozen Sonic Mini LCD Resin 3D Printer Series. With its 3840 by 2160 resolution and 722 ppi, the Sonic Mini 4K delivers unmatched precision. Its monochrome LCD screening allows for 4 times faster printing, while the ample printing volume ensures you can bring your ideas to life. Compact and lightweight, it fits any setting effortlessly. The Sonic Mini 4K is compatible with various 3D printing resins, but we recommend Phrozen Aqua Gray 4K and water-washable resins for optimal results. Phrozen offers a 1-year warranty, lifetime technical support, and affordable replacements. Find FAQs and tips on their website and join their helpful community. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found it informative or entertaining, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. For more details on the products mentioned, you can find the links in the description below. Your support keeps me motivated to create more engaging content. Stay tuned for upcoming videos, and until then, have a fantastic day.